Hi everyone, what I'm going to describe today in this video is the window weapon, which is very dangerous to dirt, that is. Here it is, window weapon from Reach It. It's a new type of brush which has got Velcro pads on here, which I'll come to later, but before that let's just explain where we are with it. It's the latest type of brush. It's not carbon fibre, that's just a coat that's on it. Imitation. You've got a rinse bar at the top here, plus inside there, each side of course, Velcro, like I say. You've got two places where the water goes in. That's for the ones on the inside, and that's for the rinse bar itself. Okay, so that's all I can see on this brush at the moment that's different. However, the main thing about this is dirt doesn't stand a chance because of this special new feature in the middle. We've got all these different pads for it. I don't know all the names for these, but this one's bronze wool. They've got microfiber. Then there's something, I don't know what it's called, but it's very, very abrasive. This one's like a stainless steel mesh. That will take anything off. Now I've got stainless steel again, similar to the bronze wool but in stainless steel. This is like a plastic, hard plastic scouring surface. You have to be careful with dirt if it gets in these when you're using them, because it might actually scratch the glass. So this is not a brush to be used all the time, but only in certain situations where you need these sort of pads. As far as I can see, you've got magic eraser, and that's interesting. It does seem a bit thick. That goes beyond the bristle length. And again, this is a bit like a scouring pad. You know, the ones with the sponges are used for washing up. On one side it's got this, and the other side is a sponge. So what we're going to choose, well, I think we'll go with the bronze wool. That seems very common. What happens is you just slap that on there. Okay. And should we give it a whirl? Yes, should we give it a whirl? What I'm wondering is whether this window is one of the worst I've ever seen. It's hydrophobic, this window. I don't like it at all. I wonder if the bronze wool will do anything to alleviate that. So what we're going to do is we're going to try it out. And you can see the rinse pattern on this. You see it coming out the sides there. It's not a bad rinse pattern. I've been using the other brush today. I'm just using the top rinse bar. This one, I've got both running internal jets inside there and the rinse bar. So I can feel that pad on the glass. If I pan in there, you can see it's touching the glass. That's what this is designed for. That's why these bristles are so short. And we'll go up and down on the window there. And the rinse bar is making a short work of this. And I'm hoping that the bronze wool might do something to this glass. It's horrible. And that does seem to be helping, that rinse bar at least. I don't know why that slowed down there. I must have stood on the pipe or something. So, there you go. There's a window weapon. You've got a big choice of pads should you want to use them on glass that's really dirty. And it's called a window weapon. I really like that. Dirt doesn't stand a chance. It's a dangerous brush to dirt, that is. Job done.